we are
Gen 6!
Yun
po, that was Don't Make Me po yung pinarform po namin kanina. And yung po ang aming debut song last year na available na po siya sa lahat ng music streaming platform. Sana po nagustuhan mo.
And Jen, first of all, gusto po namin pasalamatan ng Atlas Media for inviting us here dito po sa Sulong P-Pop Concert 2025. And it's such an honor na makapag-perform dito kasama po yung mga ibang nagbibigating artists. Kaya thank you so much po again.
At syempre po, sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala sa amin, we are Gen 6, a four-member group from Organa Studios. And pwede nyo po kami follow sa aming mga social media account at Gen 6 Official. At syempre, meron din po kaming individual account. You can follow us with the format Gen6_Chris, Kio, Jayu, and Hio.
And yes, so we would like also to thank our sponsors for today. Wave Skin Aesthetics, Via, Kuwa Landers, and of course our management of Organa Studios. Thank you so much po because of his sickness. Pero mabawi siya. Mabawi siya, guys.
Kaya naman, huwag natin patagalin pa. Ito na yung inaabangan nyo. Ano yung inaabangan nyo?
So without further ado, let's go vibes!
Once again, Atlas Media for inviting us here. And thank you so much po sa lahat na pumunta. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! See you po again next year and patuloy niyo po kaming supportahan. Follow us at Gen 6 Official.